Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable autoplay videos on Facebook. So if you want to enable autoplay video on Facebook, here that I can get it done. First thing you have to do, you have to open your Facebook app on your phone. Then you tap on the menu icon. Then from there you tap on this option right here, which is the gear button, or you call it settings as well. Then once it's open, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on this option right here, which is the media option, which is under language and region. You tap on it. Then once you tap on, then you scroll down a little, then you can easily find an option right here, which is autoplay video. So right here, you make sure if you want to turn off, you want to enable autoplay video, then definitely you just have to turn this on, which is autoplay both on mobile data or Wi-Fi only. So if you want only Wi-Fi only, that means whenever you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, the autoplay videos will automatically, the video on Facebook will automatically play. And if you set it on mobile data and Wi-Fi, it means whenever you are on Facebook, the video or content video on Facebook will automatically play for you. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.